Las que consideres. Hola. Hola.
Hey, this is Pau, an ALDE in the Middle member, also a Catalan Democrats member. As you can see, it's raining, and it's raining like hell here. And still there are hundreds of people at this voting center in Catalonia.
Well, I am a member of one table of the referendum in Catalonia, and then we have had a lot of problems because the webs of the Catalan government had been eliminated by the Spanish government. We hadden viele Probleme mit der spanischen Guardia Civil, nicht mit der katalanischen Polizei.
My name is Francesc Rangel. I am a Catalan citizen, and we are here in an election from the independence of Catalonia. We are suffering attacks from police. We have people injured. I want to ask to all the European countries, all the European people, please stop Spain. We can't bear this anymore. We don't deserve this. We are European. We want to be European. We only want to be free. Please help us. We can't stand this anymore. Thank you.
Hallo, hola. From Holland. Yeah, please.
Today is a historic day. It's a historic day for a number of reasons. For saddening reasons and for empowering reasons. The saddening reasons are the Spanish police is intervening many of our voting centers for the Catalan self-determination referendum. It just isn't happening civically in many places, and we've seen many saddening images of people being beaten, even underage or elders, and this is really saddening, at least to those of us that believe that people are entitled to the right to vote on whatever they feel is just within the limits of human rights, and especially in the exercise of the right to self-determination, which is guaranteed by the Human Rights Charter. It's also empowering, though, because it empowers you very strongly as an activist to see that people, entire families, the youth, but also elders, people who cannot even walk, they're trying to come here to vote, and that's very special. It is very special to see that people are standing up for their rights. It's no longer about a few trying to stand up for other people's rights, and in a way, it feels like a true liberal revolution.
Hi, my name is Ana, and I'm Manzanedo, and I'm a Spanish citizen living in Barcelona. I was born in the north of Spain, in La Rioja, and I've been living in Barcelona for 8 years already.
Okay, so what do you think about the current situation?
At the moment, I'm not thinking much because I have a very strong emotions about what I lived last night. But yeah, if I have to put it into words, I think it's really much worse than I expected. And I think it went beyond, any situation that crossed my mind before. So yeah, I feel very, very moved and impressed, and yeah, I'm very disappointed somehow, especially because I feel like a constructive dialogue is very, very far and not realistic at the moment.